Maina Njenga kwa sasa anatajwa kama viongozi ambao wana ushawishi mkubwa sana katika eneo la Mlima Kenya. Na leo taarifa ambazo tunakuletea ni kuhusiana na kifo ama niseme vifo za wakewe wawili ambao walipata kuuawa wakati ule Maina Njenga ikiwa yeye ndiye alikuwa anawindwa kupata kuuawa. Akiongea kulingana na ile Maina Njenga alikuwa ni mtu ambaye aliingiwa na huzuni akiongea kuhusiana na vifo za wakewe. Maina Njenga got emotional as he recounted the cold-blood assassination of his two wives in the incidences that occurred in 2009 and 2014. Maina Njenga, who was speaking to Radio Jambo on Wednesday morning, says that the first incident that led to the murder of his first wife occurred in 2009 while he was serving his jail term in Kamiti prison. After he successfully appealed and was released by court, who found him not guilty of charges that were put against him. Njenga says that he returned home and found that his wife was still in the mortuary. According to Njenga, the bill had risen to up to 6 million, but with the help of friends and family members, he was able to raise it and later buried his wife. When I came from prison, I found a bill of over 6 million because she had stayed in the morgue for long. We managed to raise the money and took her home for burial, he said. Njenga blamed the death of his wife on top leaders in the government during those days who he said worked behind the scenes to ensure his wife was taken out. I shall quote him. All these were politically pushed and I can say it was leaders of that time who murdered my wife. The judgment remains with God. I have no power to punish them, Njenga said when he was asked who was behind the assassination and whether he has found justice for his lost lovers. Recounting the death of his second wife, which occurred in 2014, Njenga says that his wife was taken out by gunmen who he said were policemen who blocked the road when they were traveling to Nyahururu. And I shall quote him too. My second wife was killed by gunmen who fired at us when we were on our way to Nyahururu. They were policemen who were paid by some politicians. We did our investigation and established it that way. Nobody is going to live forever. We are all going to die one day, he said. Tunasemanga wakati inafikia mahala ambapo tuna uhasama wa kisiasa, kama kuna watu ambao hatuwahusishi katika siasa ni familia zetu. Ikifikia kwa bibi na watoto tunawaacha kando. Wacha tupambane sisi wenyewe kindume tuweze kukamilisha yale ambayo yanatukwaza sisi kwa nyoyo zetu, maana tunapambana kisiasa. Lakini nyakati zile watu hao walivuka mipaka mpaka kuwaondoa wake zake kiongozi Maina Njenga wakati ule, wawili wale, mmoja akiaga dunia mwaka wa 2009 na mwingine mwaka wa 2014. Ni hayo kwa sasa kulingana na taarifa hizi. Pata kusubscribe ndani ya channel ya kwetu ya The FM Show KE. Tuungane kwenye video zijazo. Jina langu ni FM.